Welcome back to the Irish Bandit channel, and welcome back to more Death Stranding. In the first episode of Death Stranding, we met a delivery driver named Sam who was taking a bunch of drugs to this major city out in the middle of nowhere. We also met the BT's invisible heinous force from what we saw in the last episode. So Sam was given a task by the doctor, played by Guillermo del Toro, well, body of Guillermo del Toro, but voiced by someone else. But we have to go save the president. Wow, okay. Well, we're going to get right down. And I was looking back at the footage from last week. I saw a few parts where everything got kind of sluggish. If that happens again, please bear with me during this. This is taking a lot of CPU on my computer. So, so let's just waste no more time and let's get into the rest of this game. I'm liking it so far. Very interesting controls. And the story so far is wow. And I love the fact that Norman Reedus is in it as well. So I'm a big Norman Reedus fan, have been since Blade 2. Directed by Guillermo del Toro. But yeah, of course, if you know me, you know how much I love the movie The Boondock Saints. And I will say that the sequel, while not as good as the original Boondock Saints movie, I enjoyed it just as much. I know a lot of people who claim to be fans of Boondock Saints. Oh, Boondock Saints 2 sucked. Okay, whatever. Anyway, we're not talking about the Boondock Saints. We're talking about Death Stranding. So, might as well talk about that while the game's loading. Resume game.
Beginning scan. Scanning bridges ID. Verifying ID.
Okay.
Clear. All clear. Welcome, Sam Porter Bridges.
No problem. Morphine delivery, isolation ward. Deliver morphine to the Bridges isolation ward. You do not have the... Okay. No access.
Delivery order for Sam Porter Bridges. Request transport of morphine to isolation ward for immediate administration to the president.
Beginning scan. Have a pleasant journey.
Thank you.
Check the map on your cufflinks if you're lost, Sam.
Oh, here we go.
The isolation ward should be pretty obvious. If you're not sure how to get there, you can set markers and draw routes too. Try it out and you'll see what I mean.
Okay, how do I do that? Oh, with tab, okay. So is that the isolation? That has to be the isolation ward right there. Can I? Oh, here we go. Okay. And run. And running. Okay. I think I have an idea where I'm going. Hello? Okay. I think I'm going the right way.
Sam.
What?
If you want to confirm you're headed the right way, check your compass. It'll never steer you wrong. Provided you have a destination, that is.
Where's my compass? Press G to enter compass mode? Aha! There we go. Oh yeah, I think we're heading the right way. Okay. Let's go. Oh, there we go. I was wondering why everything was so blurry. Okay, so we'll go down this street. No. I... Why can I climb up on a friggin' payphone? No, jump down, Sam. What?
Central wasn't just home to Bridges HQ. It was also the seat of the Reconstructionist movement. If the president hadn't required special treatment, she would have never left. And if she hadn't, we wouldn't have either.
Okay. I see. Okay, so I think we're going in this direction now. Yep, we're going the right way. Man, why didn't Sam just walk? Like, seriously. Entrance for bridges only. Oh, now you start walking. Ooh, look at all those vehicles.
Like I said, her vital signs are all trending the same way.
No chance of a recovery then?
None that I can see. No.
We should start making preparations.
Sam,
Yo,
it's me, Dead Man.
are you real this time?
Sorry, my mistake.
Here's your morphine.
I'm afraid the president's condition has deteriorated. Thank you. This will help to ease the pain. And allow her to speak with you in these final moments.
Huh? What?
The first and last female president of the United States. Surely you remember her. She raised you?
What?
You're not exactly dressed for a reunion.
Not really.
Take that off before you come inside.
Well, buy me dinner first, at least. Sweet. Cool.
That's the president's right-hand man, the director of bridges.
Die Hardman?
Oh, you were with Bridges 1? So, I guess no introductions are necessary.
What's it been, Sam? 10 years? Look at us. A bunch of deathless freaks meeting like this. Yeah, well, good to see you two. President's waiting.
Interesting mask.
It's your mother, Bridget. She's a bit out of it, but I know she'll recognize you.
Whoa. Okay, that was a big twist early on. Hi, Mom. So, President, huh?
Madam President, we've brought Sam.
Maybe you should leave?
We'll leave you two alone.
Good idea.
Sam, I knew you'd come back.
Hi, Mom. Interesting seeing you in these conditions.
Yeah, I know you hate me.
Oh. Okay.
Amelie.
Amelie?
Hmm?
You remember Amelie went west. Took her 3 years to cross. She's trying to rebuild the country.
Still going on about that, huh?
You're the one I wanted to send, Sam. Time's running out. Help Amelie. She needs you. Together, you can help us reconnect.
Reconnect
You
with
can
family,
make America
reconnect.
whole.
Ah.
Sam, if we don't all come together again, humanity will not survive.
Well, you gotta do something to beat the BTs.
You don't need a country. Not anymore.
We do. Alone, we have no future.
No, America's finished. Bridget,
Yep,
you're
Canada.
the president of jack shit.
Sam, listen to me.
Oh, no! Oh, no, that's not good. Oh. Oh, what is going on?
So you are willing to help me?
No, I...
Oh, no family photo. Oh, that must be Emily whose face got... Oh, okay.
I love you, Sam. I'll be waiting for you on the beach.
Did they even give her that morphine?
Madam President! Oh, no.
So who's the president now? Because I'm pretty sure she's dead.
We need your help.
All hands on deck here. She's in V-Viv. Give me 150 cc's. She's not responding.
Stay with me. Madam President.
She's dropping it.
Hold on.
We're losing her.
I think you've lost her. Yeah, she's gone.
I'm a death.
So again, I must ask, who's president now? What's going on? Hey.
Listen, no one can know that the president is dead. If word gets
Oh,
out,
that was all simulation.
Bridges is
Okay.
finished. Now, what happened here does not leave this room. Do you understand?
Yes, Director. But there's still the matter of the body. Without corpse disposal.
We've got that covered.
Yeah, you got a delivery guy right here. So it's just meant to look like the Oval Office, right? Okay. Gotcha.
Sam,
How you doing, buddy?
before she died, the president made a contract with you.
What are you talking about?
As a member of Bridges, you're gonna work with the rest of us to rebuild America.
You think you can recruit me? Like she tried to?
Well, she succeeded. Look at your wrist. If that's not symbolic, I don't know what is.
Director, the cancer spread throughout her entire body. Harvesting organs is out of the question, and there is no need for an autopsy. Her body needs to be cremated before she necrotizes.
And if we don't, this place will turn into another crater.
What do you want me to do?
We don't have any porters right now. And the CD team you went into the field with are dead. But the president's body has to be burned.
The road from Capital Knot City to the incinerator was compromised in the void out. Now, the only way there is on foot, through the mountains. But the chiral density there is off the chart. It's gotta be BTs.
This job has requirements. Tombs. Repatriate.
So me? Why?
Sam, you're already on the clock.
Oh, wow. Gee, thanks for telling me that.
Now get it done, Sam Porter Bridges.
Isolation ward. Underground entrance. Ooh, he's got a new suit. Can I take one of the vehicles? Oh, right. No, it said it has to be on foot. Jesus. Can I ride the gurney? Oh, that's just disrespectful.
President Strand believed in American Reconstructionism. She worked tirelessly to bring the nation together again. And without her, there would be no Bridges. She deserves a funeral with full honors. But we can't give her that. If she dies, America dies.
Without
America's
her,
dead.
Bridges will cease to be.
Listen. Her cremation must be carried out with the utmost secrecy.
Yeah, I got
Even
it.
if
I
we
got
pull
it.
it off, what then? Who's gonna take her place? Face it. America's history.
Sam, America isn't dead yet.
He just said that it dies if Bridget dies.
She may be lost to us, but we still have an America worthy of the presidency.
Sorry, what?
Let's not get into it now.
No,
What
I'm with
matters
Sam
is
on
that
this one.
We're going to finish your mother's work and rebuild America as she intended. That's the reason Bridges exists. So take the first step, Sam, and deliver the president's body to the incinerator.
If we don't all come together again, humanity will not survive.
Something about this just is not
You're the
making
one I
sense
wanted
to me.
send, Sam. Time's running out. I love you, Sam. I'll be waiting for you on the beach.
So just gonna strap her to his
Facilities
back
to the
like that.
southwest. Remember that you'll be passing through BT territory.
We built the incinerator way up in the mountains so that the chiral matter in the smoke wouldn't reach the city. It won't be easy carrying a body up there.
Yeah, no shit.
We'll be monitoring you around the clock.
Oh,
If
wonderful.
anything comes up, we'll offer you support via the cufflinks.
Why does that look like a spider web? Okay. Ugh. Where the hell am I going? Okay,
Sam, this is Die Hartman. Dead men explained how to use the cuffs, right?
yeah.
Use them to check the location of the incinerator.
I got it. No. So I gotta get there, and then I gotta get there. Oh, God. Do I at least have a weapon?
Sam,
What?
I don't think I need to remind you, but every minute counts when transporting corpses for disposal.
Well, why didn't you give me a
48
friggin'...
hours following cardiac arrest, they go necro and become a fresh BT to make our lives hell.
Okay, I'm going the right way. Good. Okay, do I go through... Well, that says off limits, so I don't think I go through there. Corpse... Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, hold on. Okay, I gotta be really careful. Really? Oh, for crying out loud. Okay, hold on. Okay, I gotta find an alternative route. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Okay. What?
President Bridget Strand was the symbol of American Reconstructionism. Even with the country shattered and its people scattered to the four winds, she never stopped believing they could be reunited. People
Good
held
for her.
on to their hope that America would rise again because they believed in her. can be rebuilt. America lives on, together with Bridget's undying spirit.
Okay, whoa, hold on. Are we going the right way? We are so far off path here. Oh, it's... Okay. This has got to be the way, right? Yeah, got to be the way.
Decontaminating suit. All clear. Welcome, Sam Porter Bridges.
Oh, out of order, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. No access. Whoa, 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 oh! Ow! Ow! Oh!
Oh, no. I'm so sorry.
Okay, where the hell am I going? Oh, right there, okay.
Access to delivery terminal denied.
Really? What the hell? Okay, now what?
Access to delivery terminal denied.
What the hell? Now what? Right?
Beginning scan. Have a pleasant journey.
Okay. Hold on. Maybe it's on the other side. Okay, what the hell? Okay, how in the hell am I supposed to get out here? Nope, Sam.
Decontaminating suit. All clear. Welcome, Sam Porter Bridges.
Okay, apparently I have to go back in here. Whoa, 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 Sam, whoa.
Access to delivery terminal denied.
Okay, what the hell am I supposed to do now?
Come on.
Access to delivery terminal denied.
Okay, what the hell? Did I even go the right way? I'm missing something here. Sorry, I had to sneeze. Okay, I am obviously missing something here. that doesn't do anything. Really?
Access to delivery terminal denied.
Okay, I have no idea what's going on now, and I have no idea what to do. So I think at this point it's safe to say that I need to read up a little bit about this, so I'm going to do that in the next episode. But if you have any idea what to do next, please, by all means, let me know in the comment section down below. I really need help with this one. While you're down there, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. In the description, you're going to see all the ways you can help support this channel. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Reddit, and Threads. You can get your Irish Bandit merchandise from my Irish Bandit shop on redbubble.com. You can pick up your copy of my novel Shade Falling on Amazon. You can get that through either Kindle e-reader or on paperback, and you can buy me a coffee. Well, right now I have a goal set up where I want to get some Elgato gear for my PC. You can help make that happen in the link down below. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, tap the bell to be notified whenever a brand new video goes live. Tomorrow night at 7:45, we are back with more Bandit Halloween Spectacular 2023, where I am watching the German expressionist classic Cabinet of Dr. Caligari. Now, the first time I ever watched that movie, I didn't really enjoy it all that much. Maybe it'll be different this time around watching it. I don't know. We'll find out tomorrow evening. And then I'll be right back here on Friday with more Final Fantasy VII on Friday Fantasy. So be sure to join me for that. Until then, have a great rest of the week, and I'll talk to you again very, very soon.